Hello, welcome back for lesson number 57. I put a title called Forehead. Today we're going to cut the upper portion for this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result of the previous lesson. We have mirrored the rough out operation. Today we will continue to cut the forehead. Using the sketch, select the plane, then click OK. Use the offset function, set the dimension to 6.5 mm, copy the two curves, OK. We will need to do again one more time, set to 0, copy another two curves as displayed, click OK. With that, we use a trim and extend function. We need to extend the curve so that we can create our two paths. Okay. And continue with power trim. We need to trim away and look nice as a cutting curve. Using the pattern, a new one that we're going to share with you today. Rectangle. We need to have 7 elements and distance of 5 mm each. Click OK. Use the power trim and delete away the last curve that display on the screen. Exit. Let us duplicate the previous operation, meaning to say at the left side. Remove the curves. We need to add the profile. Create profile and click OK. Select the 3 curves, click OK. Continue to add profile until the last one, click OK. Right mouse click, edit. We need to update certain parameters. The only one need to change is the color. Calculate. You can see we drag after we set the G54. Z minus 14.5 and we click OK. OK. Let us do a solid verify. Looks good. Analysis. We still have material for finishing. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation. Collapse it. Use the sketch. Select the plane. Click OK. Need the offset function. 6.5. Curve. This one and this one. Click OK. Offset again. Set to 0. Select curve. This one and this one. OK. Using the extend function. Select the curve. Destination. Here. This one. Destination. Here. This one. Destination. Here. This curve. We will extend here. Last. Looks good. Okay. Power trim. Remove all this away. Looks good. Let us go for pattern. Set the y-axis. 7. This is 5. Looks good. Go for it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Use the power trim to trim away all this. Select the curve. Press delete. Exit. Done the curves. So now we need to duplicate the operation. Remove the previous curves profile. We need to create a new one. Add. Create. Profile. Okay. So let me tilt a little bit for easy selection. 1, 2, and 3. OK. Add profile. 1, 2, and 3. OK. Add profile. 1, 2, 3. OK. Add profile. 1, 2, 3. OK. Continue. Add profile. 1, 2, 3. OK. Add one more. 1, 2, 3. OK. Add 1, 2, 3. OK. Click OK. We have all the curves. Right mouse click, edit. Nothing to change except the color. Change to this color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. G54. Drag the 2. Z minus 14.5. Yes, this is what we expected. OK. OK. Let us do a solid verify. Reduce the speed. Play. Yeah, looking good. Option, analysis, visual. Nice. We still have material to cut for finishing. You can see that on the other side as well. We actually cut into this curve area, but it's okay. Okay, close, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to do the rough out on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.